I'm Tenuria final year degree student presenting about what we have experienced in operating drone at our campus. This drone related information and training was obtained through Naan Mudhalvan training for final year students at a duration of 10 weeks in our campus. This course was implemented in our campus through Naan Mudhalvan training facilitator Mr. Ram Srihari of Vaayusastra Aerospace. Through this Naan Mudhalvan course, we have collected various information such as drone history, types and specification, their designs, futures, testings, drone startup information and also MSME Udayam registration. And finally, thank you for Naan Mudhalvan team and Vaayusastra Aerospace for providing the opportunity to learn about